Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to disable wallpapers in Opera browser. Open Opera browser on your computer. Click on the Opera icon at the top left corner of the window. Click on Settings. Click on the basic item in the left menu. Now under Wallpaper section, turn off the radio button that says Enable Wallpaper. Now open a new tab to see how it looks. As you can see, wallpaper has been disabled. This is how you can disable wallpapers in Opera browser.